What in the ass? Salutations everybody, I'm Benjamin Brandon, a vertical filmmaker, IGTV influencer. If you're new to the channel, this channel is all about vertical video, whether it's creating it, promoting it, or using it all the platforms such as IGTV and YouTube. That's what this is all about. And oh my god, finally. If you're watching this video, you are probably either already uploaded to IGTV or wanting to upload to IGTV, and you stumbled across my video, which is essentially showing you a revolutionary thing that we have been waiting for a very long time. And yes, that DM conversation was mostly real and the inspiration to this video. So what am I talking about? Well, IGTV came out June of last year. We have been waiting for more discoverability enhancements, and we haven't really gotten any, such as the search feature right now in IGTV is only searching actual profiles. That's it, all your creators. So if you type in, I don't know, vertical video, you're not going to find a bunch of vertical videos. You're going to find creators that have to do with vertical video. That's why my account, as you see here, has vertical video in the title, because, well, that makes me searchable. Pro tip. P.S. I make a lot of videos about IGTV pro tips, such as that one. Plus, you can join the IGTV Masterclass, which is super cheap. It's an online course that teaches you the ins and outs of IGTV. From my perspective, being someone who is boosted on the platform since day one. I don't know, I got a lot of attention and a lot of views on IGTV and just my thing, so you can check out the IGTV Masterclass. Moving on. So 2 days ago, Instagram just released this update, and I've been hearing about it for a while, but it's actually here. So again, IGTV is only searchable in a couple of ways, not too many. That search engine that it has is not really a search engine. You can get noticed on hashtags, but it's extremely hard to rank IGTV videos in hashtags, but doable. They've also allowed us to upload our IGTV to our stories for like a 15-second preview, but nothing with the feed until now. You can now upload your IGTV videos to your Instagram feed, but it has to be a video that's over 1 minute, and the preview is only a minute. Meaning that video that goes into your feed is a snippet of 0 to 60 seconds of your video. So if you have a 2-minute video, you're gonna watch the first minute of it on your feed, and it gives you the option to actually have the person, whoever's following you, pop in and watch the rest of your video. Super awesome. I mean, this is such a momentous occasion. I have to drink to that wine. Like, again, let me reiterate this, because this is big. You can now upload IGTV videos into your feed from 0 to 60 seconds. A 1-minute IGTV video that previews your video to have your followers go into your IGTV to watch the rest of your video. Clearly you can see I'm excited, so let me just show you how to do it. First, you start by uploading your IGTV video that's either on Instagram or on IGTV. Hit the plus sign on top. Select your video. Now again, let me preface, you need to have a video that's over a minute. Otherwise, you'll see the share to Instagram option, but it won't be clickable or tappable. So when you do select a video that's over a minute, you'll see it automatically turn on right here, which is amazing. So you could just do it right now. Put your title in, of course. Make sure you have your description. Hashtags, guys. Make sure you put hashtags on your IGTV videos. I don't know why people don't do that yet. It's funny because like all the people that have taken the IGTV Masterclass have been like, oh my god, hashtags? I'm like, yeah, totally. It's what helped me get discovered on IGTV. So that's all you do. The one last thing you need to remember is make sure you put your thumbnail in, because your thumbnail will be the representation of what is shown on your feed first. So you go to edit cover. You can either select from your camera roll. So if you had a custom made thumbnail for this IGTV video, like you can see here in all my IGTV vertical vlogs, I have a custom set thumbnail that I create. This is where I would put that. So I would go to upload from camera roll. But let's just say you want to just do it quick and simple like I'm doing in this example. You'll go to choose cover from video and select the frame that you would want to be the thumbnail and the image that is seen on your feed. So if you're super cautious about your feed aesthetic and your feed look, this is awesome to have. Just remember to make a thumbnail that fits your color scheme, your theme of your feed, so on and so forth. Hit done, then hit post. Watch as the magic occurs and it uploads to IGTV, and it's automatically found in your feed as you see here. And at that point, your IGTV preview, or what I'm gonna call a trailer, is ready for everyone to consume. And the coolest part is when someone taps on it, it just works like a regular Instagram video. So they'll tap on it, sound will come on, they'll be able to watch it. And after a minute, it'll pause and it'll put a call to action to watch the rest on IGTV. So what it does is, let's say that person taps after 60 seconds, it will go onto the IGTV video and continue on from where it left off on that pause. So it will continue at second 61. Two other things to think about. One, let's say you want to remove your feed video, like I think I might do with mine because it doesn't really fit my aesthetic on my grid. It still keeps the IGTV video live and ready for everyone to preview, so people will still be able to watch it on your IGTV channel, but you don't have to put it on your feed. So just if you want to remove it later on or whatever, it won't remove the IGTV video. So Instagram, thank you, that was smart. And lastly, the video on your feed is a 4:5 crop, so you need to keep that into consideration with your thumbnail. Again, in the IGTV masterclass, I'll tell you that you just crunch everything into kind of in the middle. There's a safe zone for IGTV thumbnails. This follows just that, so keep that in mind as well. And that's it. Oh my god, I cannot believe they did this. I'm so excited. I gotta even upload more than just once a week now. Oh my god. Celebratory drink to Instagram. Thank you for this. If this video provided you any value, please do me a favor and smash that like button. Get after it. Subscribe for more IGTV video tips just like this, and vertical video tutorials and vertical vlogs. And I, my beautiful vert friends, will see you on the next video, which will be a gear review. I'm out. I should probably message him back. That's what I said.